Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Yahoo Calendar. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and log in into your Yahoo Mail account. After logging in, it's time to access the calendar. Hover your cursor over the calendar icon and click on it. This will open the Yahoo Calendar interface. To get a complete overview of your schedule, click on Calendar Full View. This gives you a broader look at your week or month, helping you plan efficiently. Now, if you want to add tasks, click on the to-dos list located in the upper right corner. Type the details of your task. Turn on the due date toggle to set when the task should be completed. You can also prioritize your tasks by selecting a priority level from the drop-down below the due date. For extra details or notes, use the description box provided. Once everything is filled out, click Save to make sure your task is stored properly and won't be lost later. For bigger commitments like meetings, events, or appointments, click on the New Event button or directly on the date within the calendar. Enter all necessary details such as event name, date, time, and location. If you want, you can set up reminders for these events, a great feature to help manage your time and avoid missing important activities. Once done, hit Save to confirm everything. And that's it. You've now learned how to navigate and use Yahoo Calendar effectively. So that is how you can use Yahoo Calendar. So that's all for this video. Thanks.